Actually one of the few places in the United States where you can study Swedish and Scandinavian studies.
My family is Norwegian and German and Swedish, and so coming to the school and needing to take a language class, I was like, well, Swedish is close to Norwegian, I'll take that. So I took Swedish and fell in love with the language, fell in love with the culture. It's also, frankly, quite beautiful language, like just the history surrounding Swedish, because you don't just learn the language in the classes, you learn about the history. There's actually a class called Vikings to Volvos where you learn about the history of Sweden from Vikings until Volvos. It's such a fun history class.
We cover about 1,000 years of the history of Scandinavia. From the Viking period to the modern day, students get to explore different periods of Scandinavian history and what made each period unique.
There's plenty of study abroad opportunities that come with it. I was in Sweden over J-term for an entire month, so that was a lot of fun.
And we took a group of about 16 students to Sweden in January and spent a whole month there learning intermediate Swedish and going to cities like Stockholm and Copenhagen and Oslo. We have an exchange with Uppsala University in Sweden. People can spend a whole semester there or an entire year. Our Swenson Center at Augustana boasts the largest collection of documents and archives on the Swedish immigrant experience, and students who major in Scandinavian studies will have an internship in the Swenson Center, great job experience, internship experience. And then it's also a lot of fun to be in Scandinavian studies because we have a student club, the Scandinavian Club, that organizes some activities and some pretty fun activities throughout the year connected to our Swedish heritage at Augustana.